Sanibonani, welcome back to yet another video esizokhuluma ke ngodaba lwenkosi King Misizulu kaZwelithini, my favorite king in South Africa. Okay. This is my favorite king Bafethu. I talking about the king in Kanjalo. Of course, Bafethu Mnangzala ke ebukhosini. I do not know, but whatever that is happening around the king, his wives, and all that, I kind of like love listening to it in Kanjalo. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, you guys, on this particular one, we're going to talk about him and Ndlunkulu Umami Yeni, something like that. We've had a lot of drama there. They were gonna get married, and then izinto ke seyijikile ubabu not ubabu king yo bazoza bezongihlasela bethi hey wena ukukhulunywa kanjalo isilo ke sabuye sajika ke akasathathwa ke umama myena kusekho mshado ke manje sezwa kuthiwa hayi yonke into ijikile inkosi ke manje isithole linye ibhobhodlwana ngale ngaseSwatini kuthiwa ke ugirl uzalwe ebukhosini naye ngomntana osasemncane ke manje umama myeni uthi exit kungena ke itshitshi there Bafethu. That's why I'm saying I love the king. I love the Zulu king and the stories and everything that is happening there. Not that with my drama into ebuhlungu ngiyajabula. No, I'm just saying whatever he's doing there. Remember umama mkhulu umama Ndlunkulu what is her name now la vele labaleka igama ke okusala umama Ndlunkulu yena omdala uKaMayisela. Thank you very much. I quickly remembered umama Ndlunkulu uKaMayisela, the divorce drama, and then kwathiwa hayi kukhona imamiyeni manje ngiyena ohamba nenkosi sibona ke laphana kuma events now bahleli bonke nje noma kuthiwa ke okay kune drama but besibona ke khona behamba bonke kungathi akukho inkinga. After that sabona kuthiwa hayibo kuthiwa inkinga zikhona kuthiwe nje inkosi ithe konke nje ukuthi mamiyeni ngiyayeka nje ngicela konke ama security nani yonke into nje bivikela umamiyeni akudilizo yonke into angisahlangene ngathi hayibo so kunti mhlambe ngoba ngale ka divorce ngathi I divorce nayo bayahluleka ukuthi baqhubeke nayo I don't think they ended up divorcing no mama uKaMayisela. I'm like Babu King. I'm like Babu King. Mangisathi manje sibhekwe idaba lokaMamiyeni manje ukuthi uyashada noma akashada because there was a threat there umama uKaMayisela ethi no awukwazi ukushada ngaphela mina nawe usashada umshado omhlophe so you cannot carry on and marry another wife sibe sishada manje wayovala ke le enkantolo hayi sathi mhlambe ke bazoqhubeka beshada njengoba they kept on saying sizoshada thina kumnyama noma kubomvu ngathi hayi bazoshada lapha hayi jiki no akusekho inkosi jikile manje sengizosekuthi usengale eMpumalanga kuthiwa kukhona ibhobhodlwana ngale umama kaMamiyeni pressa exit sesishaya ke manje ke ngebhobhodlwana kuthi igama lakho ubani usisi sizolithola phambili but anyways manje mase ngithi ngiyabuka kulesi story silana ka scrolla kukhulunywa ngokuthi ke the Zulu king leaves uQueen stranded after a dinner. So mangabe he left her stranded after a dinner chaza kubebe bonke which means they did not separate. They just separated mhlambe ngokuhlala if I can understand but basaqhubeka ke bebonke nenkosi kodwa ke naye wambeka ndawo thizeni nebhobhodlana nayo lindawo thizeni hayi mina ngizokwazela lapha mntakaba ngifunde istories esibhalwe phansi by ucelana esikhakhana kuthiwa ke Queen kaMyeni was left behind at a government dinner after royal staff failed to follow proper protocol. Okay, bekumele lapha nabafollow the proper protocol mangabe inkosi isisuka lapha no queen manje ke bangalandela ke izinto ngendlela okumele kwenziwe ngazo wasala ke umama Ndlunkulu mamini stranded. Hayibo kuthiwa the incident happened just after the queen and the king were seen happily sharing jokes at the same event, which means they never separated ngokuthandana ngokuthi nje ngumama Ndlunkulu then they just separated ngezinye indlela. Okay. Now, King Misizulu kaZwelithini left his dead wife, uQueen Nomzamo kaMyeni, stranded at the State of the Province address dinner on Friday after a mix-up with the royal protocol. Now, the Queen was left waiting at the VVIP dinner tent in Pietermaritzburg while King Misizulu traveled to uNongoma to spend time with his new fiancé uSihle Mdluli from eMpumalanga. Ngithe ngizolithola igama lomntana omncane kuthi uSihle Mdluli ongiyena ke manje sinqanda mathe esisha senkosi allegedly. So now sources told to Scrolla ukuthi that the king was only informed an hour later that uQueen Kamyeni ngale was left still at the dinner table, but by then he was already halfway to KaNongoma. Remember phela usogijimela bani umamncane. Now the queen had to be taken to Ophongola, where she now stays. She now stays Ophongola umamamyeni. Inkosi ke, which means he stays with umama Mdluli omncane. This mess was created by some of the so the queen had to be taken to Ophongola, where she now stays, and the mess was created by some of the assistants from the king's private office who don't understand the royal protocol. The rule is that when the king is leaving the event, those in charge of the protocol must tell the queen to follow behind. This didn't happen. Abasasho ukuthi landela phela mamdlunkulu. Inkosi nje usihambile nawe follow. So ke wangafollowa wahlala kumamdlunkulu kumamyeni ke inkosi yahamba yangale kwavele nje kwaba ngokunye ke. Now ukuthi royal family members told iphepha ukuthi they doubt the king's upcoming wedding will take place, saying it seems that King Misizulu has changed his mind to focus on the Zulu nation matters. The king had already cancelled a wedding that was meant to happen on the 26th of January this year. So attempts to reach umamamyeni were not successful. Now, the incident happened just a day after the Queen made a surprise appearance at the opening of the KZN legislature. This came after the news reports claiming that she had broken up with the King. They have not broken up. Mangabe besabonakala bebonke behleka be-attend izinto bebonke. That means they didn't break up. Okay. Now, before being left behind on Friday, the Queen and the King Misizulu were seen laughing together at their shared table. Alright? That can only mean ukuthi they are not separate, but they still attend ama events bonke. Kodwa ke sekukhona phela umamncane from eMpumalanga kwathiwa ke itshitshi ke lelo from ebukhosini somewhere. Iyona ke ntombi kwathiwa ke sizoba ke futhi ngumama uNdlunkulu wesi4 mhlambe ewenkosi King Misizulu, according to what I see, because phela kunomama Isela, that is the queen, bese kuzoba nalo wesibili ahead with his wife number 2, because umamyeni, that's his wife number 3. Now kukhona ke intombi yaseMpumalanga, that is gonna be wife number 4. But okhona ekhaya kahle kahle esigodlweni okhona ubani, because we understand kwathiwa ke umama kaMayisela, she's out of esigodlweni, she's now living somewhere, that they were divorced ntontonton. Then kwathiwa ke the second wife also allegedly left. That's what I heard, allegedly. Okay, now the third wife, who is umamyeni, now lives in Ophongola. That means she's no longer there, but she's the third one. Now there is umamdluli ke intombi nto, which means she's the one coming esigodlweni. Are we going to be seeing her attending ama events nenkosi? Uyena ke manje umamdlunkulu wenkosi angazi bafethu kuhungata there. But anyways, kuniki bafethu I got interested ngoba ke ngiyathanda mina ukuthi ke izitori zenkosi uma ngizibona njengoba sibona lapha esithombeni uyinkosi noma mamyeni on the picture. I'm gonna make sure with this picture I use it on my thumbnail so that you see bebebonke. So the separation rumors were not true, because they still attend events together. There they are, sitting there, and this is an old picture, but they were there. She was left at the dinner table. Angazi akusashiwo ngokuthi landela ke wasishiyeka kanjalo nje girl, you know. So now, because inkosi had to rush to umamdluli, wasala kanjalo kumamamyeni. Osesigodlweni ubani ke kumanje nje ongiyokhona ke kuningi. But anyways, that's what I wanted to talk about, ukuthi kuthiwe ke umamamyeni was left stranded there, inkosi seyihambile wasala kanjalo ugele ihlazo. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this particular video. Like, subscribe, share, asiphinde sibonane kwenye ezilandelayo. Bye.